We're going to arrange these 6 fractions from smallest to largest. We have 2/3, 15 over 19, 11 over 13, 5 over 7, 13 over 15, and 17 over 20. And what we would do here would be to use a calculator to find decimal notation for each of these 6 fractions. And when we do that, this is the result that we get. These are the decimal equivalents for the 6 fractions that we started with. And now what we need to do is to arrange them from smallest to largest. So let's look through here. 2/3 has 6 in the tenths place, and that's the only fraction that has 6 in the tenths place, and that is the smallest number that we have in the tenths place. So we know that 2/3 would be the smallest. Now let's look at the tenths place again. The next digit up from 6 is 7, and we have 2 fractions with 7 in the tenths place, so we'll look at the hundredths place. 15 over 19 has 8 in the hundredths place, and 5/7 has a 1 there. So we know that the fraction with the larger number is the larger fraction. So that tells us that 5/7 is smaller than 15 over 19. So 5/7 would be the next number. And then we'd have 15 over 19. And the remaining 3 fractions all have 8 in the tenths place. And in their hundredths place, they have 4, 6, and 5. So the fraction that has 4 in that place would be the next in line. And that would be followed by the fraction that has 5 in the hundredths place. And finally, we'd have the remaining fraction. So these are the 6 fractions arranged in order from smallest to largest.